Well, hello, my name is Tom Quinn. I've been teaching at the Spokane Art School since 1993. Today we were doing a demonstration out in front all about how to draw people by thinking in terms of a skeleton. So I had them draw a simplified skeleton, just drawing a circle for a skull, an oval for a rib cage, another circle for the pelvis, and just kind of building it on that, and then just kind of adding on muscles, fat, clothing, and so on to try to create a person.
When you draw people, you have to start off with thinking about the skeleton first. So we got here, this is it's just a lot simpler than this.
And I'd like to thank Spokane Arts for the grant to do this Art on the Street. I think it's a great idea and it's a big success.